Hello and welcome to another episode of Smile Rebuilds. In the last episode, we have prepared the groundwork in order to work on the smile, and today we can actually start working on the smile itself. In our house analogy last time, we were working on the foundation, which we have completed at this point. Now we have a sturdy enough base to build the rest of the house on. That means that today we will reshape some teeth to be fitted for crowns and measure in temporaries that were designed by Natural Dental Lab, who happens to be one of our sponsors for this video. They were nice enough to help us design the smile, build crowns, and print temporaries for this case. And Qualident Dental Lab, who is our second sponsor, was super kind to mill these crowns for us. Thank you guys very much. And you will see how much art and craft they put into their work right at the end. A huge thank you to both of these dental labs for doing what they do. They provide amazing quality work with no fuss. And going back to the teeth, we were wondering last time what caused the notches on the top front and bottom front teeth. I could not figure it out until I point blank asked the patient. It turns out that this is her favorite spot to shell sunflower seeds. I am just shaking my head at this point. Never in a million years would I thought that this particular spot on her teeth is constantly used to shell sunflower seeds. This is crazy. But it makes perfect sense. Sunflower seeds would fit this rhomboid shape perfectly. So the moral of the story here, do not use your teeth like an industrial machine for random purposes. Got it. In our process today, we will of course numb everything and make the teeth more cone-shaped so the crowns can fit around the tooth. This will strengthen every individual tooth and will also improve the aesthetics as well as add smoothness to the tooth. After a while, natural teeth get somewhat worn down and can develop sharp edges that may not be super comfortable to the soft tissues around. The crowns are designed to be smooth and round to be gentle on these soft tissues. One of the struggles we are going to be having today is managing the soft tissues directly around the teeth. On a smile photo, you see how the smile is a little bit slanted because of mismatching gingival zeniths. The teeth themselves are in pretty good position horizontally, but because one side of the gum is longer than the other side, it makes the whole smile look lopsided. In order to fix that, we are going to do something called a gingivectomy. It's a fancy word, literally means cutting off the gum. In this case, I'm going to perform these gingivectomies right as I'm preparing the crown with a burr. This will help me set the margin of the gum and the crown at the same time, so the margin of the crown is overlaid by the margin of the gum and you don't see the transition line. Once we have the overall aesthetic scheme, we adjust all the factors to fit our design smile. So fast forward to the end of the day, when everything is prepared and the temporaries are fitted, look at this result. This is already a huge improvement. However, gums are still angry from being worked on. So with the magic of editing, boom, a week goes by and look at these gums now. The healing is amazing and the tooth heights are perfect. The lopsidedness was fixed, so this is the culmination of three things here. A thorough deep cleaning, a great smile design by Natural Dental Lab, and execution by me, and gum surgery also by me. As you can see, each of these procedures contributes to a result that is greater than the sum of their individual parts. I feel like this is what dentistry is all about. Fix a little bit of this and a little bit of that, and the final result is astonishing. I feel like this is why I'm a dentist, for magical moments of transformation such as these. So from here on out, here is what we will have to do. These temporaries are just that, temporary, and they are meant for me as a rough draft to work out all the aesthetic hiccups on. For example, the two front teeth can be of different widths, and some teeth are turned a little bit in the wrong direction. All these issues are worked out on the temporary design, so when we do a final, there is no more question about what needs to be fixed. That means we will do a few more sets of lab-designed and made temporaries to work out all these things. And in the next episode, we will show you how the design changed over the next few sets of temporary crowns and the final result. Also, we will let you know how the patient felt throughout all this process and how she perceives her smile now. Stay tuned.